Welcome to Sestari Kitchen. Today we're going to prepare something truly special, Nutella Brownies. Before we dive into this recipe, if you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Gather your ingredients. 1 cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, ½ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, ½ cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, ½ cup of chopped hazelnuts. Optional, but it adds a delightful crunch. With these ingredients at the ready, let's explore the steps together. Step 1. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Step 2. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of Nutella and 2 large eggs until blended. Step 3. Sift in ½ cup of all-purpose flour, followed by ½ teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until the batter turns velvety and smooth. Step 4. Add a ½ cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Step 5. Add a ½ cup of chopped hazelnuts if you like. Step 6. Gently pour the batter into your baking pan. Step 7. Smooth the top with care, ensuring an even bake. Step 8. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick, when inserted into the center, emerges with only a few tender crumbs. Step 9. Allow your Nutella brownies to cool briefly before you cut them for serving. These brownies are perfect for sharing with your loved ones, whether enjoyed with a cup of coffee or alongside a scoop of vanilla gelato. Until we meet again, may your kitchens be filled with joy and your hearts with warmth.